Hey guys, thanks for clicking on the video. I hope y'all enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. We're installing these today. So this is what the product looks like, guys. It's just a LED bulb, but it flashes. Got it from Amazon. It's about 12 bucks for both of them. And we're gonna see what they look like. So we're gonna start by lifting this up. And we need to get right in here. So I'm gonna take that apart and I'll be right back. So the tools y'all need for this job is just a flathead and a Phillips head screwdriver. There's one point right here, one point right there, and then one up top. And the same on the other side, there's one down there, one up top, and one behind the light right here. And then that's all you need is just a Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver, and you can do this job at home. Very simple there. And all you have to do for this is just get a flathead screwdriver and twist it, and then it pops out. And I'll show you what that looks like right here. It's just one of these. As soon as you unscrew it all the way, it all comes out. So, all right, so this is what it looks like. And I believe this one right here is the one we're looking for. So I'm gonna pull it out and I'll show you how to do it after. All you have to do is unpinch that from here and then twist it to the left, and then it comes out of that hole right there. So I got it back in. And then just stick it right through there. Oh, there we go. And you twist it to the left and just plug it back in. It's as simple as that. I'm gonna do the other side next, and then we'll see what it looks like after. So now I'm on the right side, and I'm gonna show y'all how I took it apart on the left side. Just get it, unplug it right here, and then twist it to the left, and it comes right out. So I'm gonna put the other one back in right there, and we got it put back together, buttoned up. Time to see what it looks like. Hey guys, I hope y'all liked the video. Subscribe, like, and comment for more. There'll be a whole lot more videos coming soon. They won't be out as fast. I have just a normal job and don't have too much money at the moment, so just bear with me on it. But there will be videos coming out soon. This is a little small video. I just wanted to get something out for y'all. I don't want to leave y'all hanging for as long as I usually do. So I'm gonna get this out, and then there'll be videos coming out soon as I get the parts and money and everything and put them on. So just bear with me, but I hope y'all have a good day. Just remember, subscribe, it helps me out. I appreciate it if y'all do, and like my videos. See y'all next time.